how to make money from email marketing in 2019. If you are a complete beginner and you do not know what is email marketing and how to make money from it, this is the video for you. These are the things that I will cover in this video. What is email marketing and its work? How does it work? I will show you an example here. Basic tools to use in email marketing, which traffic method to use, and how many days to follow up in order to get better results. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to earn a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, then I have placed that link in the description box below. Now let's move to our today's video. What is email marketing and its worth? Email marketing is a process in which we are collecting emails of our visitors. Why we are collecting their email addresses? Because we can later follow them up. In traditional affiliate marketing, traffic is just coming to our website and they are just moving outside our website. Let's suppose if traffic move to our website, then after some time they will leave our website and they will forget our website. But what we can do, we can just capture their email addresses and connect with these people in order to make relationship with those people. So once we have a relationship with these people, then whatever we will suggest to these people, they will definitely take action as per our advice, and we will earn affiliate commission. This is the essence of email marketing. You have heard that money is in the list. That's true. You may be thinking that what's its worth? As per my experience, a single email address that you have in your autoresponder weigh nearly $1 per month. So let's suppose if you have 1000 email addresses of different people, then you can earn $1,000 per month from these 1000 people. So let's suppose you have 1 million people, you have the potential to earn $1 million per month. That's the power of email marketing, and nearly all the top marketers who are earning 5-figure and 6-figure income per month, they have thousands and even tens of thousands of email addresses of their visitors. Let's move to a landing page. This is one of my landing page I have created in my website. So you can see my beginners friendly system to make your first $10,000 online. No more scam, lies and get rich schemes. It is perfect for the beginners even if you are not a technical person. This is the name and email addresses I required from my visitors. So once they provide this name and email, I will send them get the emails course now. So as soon as they put this information and click on get the email course now, then that information will be stored in the autoresponder, because this form is connected to my autoresponder. Autoresponder is a software which collects our visitors email addresses and the name, and once they provide that information, it will be stored in the autoresponder, and after that button they will be taken to the next page. Either it will be a thank you page or a direct affiliate offer page. Let's move to our next step, that is how does it work. This is an example and a diagram I have created for you. This is your landing page. So you will just get example from both diagram and on real landing page here. So on this landing page we are actually sending traffic. You can use different methods for sending traffic to your landing page. Either you can use the free way or you can use the paid way. Most prominent method in free ways are Google, Pinterest, YouTube and Instagram. And for paid ads or paid methods, you can use Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Solo Ads and Bing Ads. Let's suppose this is our landing page. We have written 3 to 4 lines. You can either also provide a free ebook to your visitors, so that there is more likely they will provide their email address. So that traffic once moved to a landing page and they look for either a free ebook or they look for information like they wanted to make $10,000 per month online or something similar to this. So once they find that useful information, they will definitely provide their information here and they click on the button. So once they provide name and email addresses and click on the button, that information will be stored in the autoresponder. Autoresponder is a software that will collect all of our email addresses of our visitors. There are prominent names in these categories, but my experience with these softwares, I highly recommend you whether you go for the GetResponse, Aweber or MailChimp. Personally, I am using GetResponse and I highly recommend you everyone who wanted to use autoresponder, just go for the getresponse.com. So their information will be stored in the autoresponder, and after clicking on the button, they then be taken to either affiliate offer page or the thank you page. Affiliate offer page is a product that we are promoting to these people. You can use different platforms for finding this affiliate offer product. You can use ClickBank, MaxBounty, Peerfly. Literally there are hundreds of affiliate networks out there and you can promote anything that you want to promote. And the second option is you can also create a thank you page. So there are two options. You can either use an affiliate offer page. Directly you can send these visitors to the affiliate offer page, or you can use a thank you page. So this is the whole concept of email marketing. Let's suppose if I provide my information here, name, so after providing the information, I will send my visitors to this page. This is my sales page that include product that is my main affiliate product that I am promoting. So if anyone moves downward and see my results and buy that affiliate product, create your free account here. So once they create their free account and after some time they have to pay the membership fee, once they opt this option, I will earn affiliate commission. This is how email marketing works. Now let's move to our next section, that is basic tools to use in email marketing. There are literally tens and 20 tools that you can use in email marketing, but at least you should have an autoresponder, you should have a landing page builder and a tracker. This is also optional, but I highly recommend you to use this tracker in order to get better results. What is the purpose of autoresponder? Autoresponder will store all of your visitors' information like name, email ID, or if you wanted to add telephone number in your landing page, then that information will also be stored in your autoresponder. But keep remember that the more information you demand from your visitors, the less likely they will opt for your email list. So I highly recommend you to just go for either email address or email address and name. So it is up to you which one you want to choose. Autoresponder will also include your emails, like you should create 20 days email series or 28 days email series. So once those visitors opt for your email list, then that autoresponder will send these people that email series that you have already added in your autoresponder. So autoresponder will do two type of things. It will store your visitors information, and the second one is it already has an email series that we have added in order to send that emails to our visitors. The second one is the landing page builder. In order to build your landing page, you need to, like this is a landing page, you need to have a landing page builder. There are a lot of different landing page builders out there, but I highly recommend you to go for the Thrive Architect. If you just visit my other videos in which I have shown you how to create a landing page, then you can see that how you can use Thrive Architect to build awesome and highly converting landing pages within a few minutes. Moreover, it is far more cheaper than any other platform or any other software out there in the market. For autoresponder, I recommend you to go for the GetResponse. And for landing page builder, I recommend you to go for the Thrive Architect. If you wanted to get their links, then I will put these links in the description box below. You can use these links to buy these products. Now the fourth number is which traffic method to use. If you just look at the diagram, you need traffic to your landing page in order to bring results or in order to bring leads. You can use free method, you can use paid traffic methods, but if you do not have money, then you should have only one method left, that is the free traffic method. But most of the marketers who are making 5-figure and 6-figure income, they are using paid traffic method. Because you can control paid traffic methods, you can scale your business very easily, and you can just do whatever you want using paid traffic methods. Definitely it comes with an investment, but all you need is to have a positive return on investment, and you should refuel your funnels with that positive return on investment. So that's how you can scale your business very quickly. With free traffic method, it takes time, you cannot control that traffic, and it is not as good as you get with the paid traffic method. So at the start you can work with the free traffic methods, but with the passage of time, once you have investment, I highly recommend you to go with the paid methods. The next and the last one is how many days to follow up. I have already told you that in autoresponder you need to build in, or you need to add an email series. That autoresponder will send these email series to your visitors or to your subscribers. So you should add that email series in your autoresponder. There are different questions in the mind of people, that how many email series days we have or we need to add in an autoresponder. I recommend you to at least create 28 to 35 days email series in order to properly follow up your visitors. The more you add, the longer you can follow up, and the higher the chance you have to convert your subscriber into customer. I have seen many people are just creating 7 days email series or 10 days email series, which literally couldn't convert. There is very little chance that those people will convert. You need to provide them value on a regular basis. So I recommend you to at least create a 28 to 35 days email series, so you have a good chance of converting these email subscribers into your customers. But don't spam, just do not send every email that include your affiliate link. Just send 3 to 4 valuable emails, and after that 4 to 5 emails, they'll send an email that include your affiliate link. That's how you can build your trust in the eyes of your email subscribers, and that's why they will more likely to buy from your affiliate link. If you just send them every email that include your affiliate link, definitely they will unsubscribe you, and it wouldn't benefit you at all in a long run. This is an introduction to how to make money from affiliate marketing, and I will show you much more in the future of coming videos. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. That's all for today. Thank you.